Hi, that was my version of Danny Boy for the Cigar box guitar. I'd like to take you through that today. I'm tuned to G, open G, G, D, G. So the first phrase starts on 4 and 5 of the low string, and then 0 and 2 of the middle string. The next phrase is a little longer. It's 0, 2 on the middle. Reverse that, 2, 0 on the high, 2, 0 on the middle, and then 5, 2. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. I'll do that whole line for you. Okay, then it starts that again. Now this is a variation. 0, 2 on the middle, 2, 0 on the high, 2, 0 on the middle. Okay, and then we do the first line again. And then another variation. Starts off the same, 4, 5, 0, 2. Then 3, 2, 0. And then on the low string, 5, 4, 5. I'll play that last line for you. And of course there'll be a tab that you can take a screenshot of at the end. Okay, so now we go to the chorus. 0, 2, 4, 5 on the first string. And I just use my first finger, third finger, and fourth finger. They fall nicely in place. Then 4 twice, same string. Then 2, 0. And then 2 on the middle. Open on the high. 2 on the middle. Little finger over here on 5 on the low string. And that line seems to throw people a little bit. But they say, when there's somebody singing the song, they say the words, the pipes, twice. It'd be right here. The pipes. That messes up a lot of people because they think it's just once. One last time for that. Okay, the second line of the chorus starts the same. 2 4s, 2 0, 2 0 on the middle. I'll repeat that. And then we come to the third line of the chorus, 3 open on the high string. And then we're going to go to the 9, and I'm going to use my third finger there. 9. 7 twice with the first finger. And then 10 on the middle string with the little finger. 7 with the first. 10. And then we change position, but it's easy to do because the next note is open on the high string. So we just lift our hand up. 2, 5. Okay. If you jump up to that 9 with your first finger, obviously you're going to have to move your whole hand and make a little sound there, which isn't the end of the world. And if you do it with your little finger, then you got to do the same story to get to the 10th fret. So the best choice is your third finger. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm starting to let some of the strings ring, and because it's a lesson and I'm going slow, I stop them. But when I'm playing the song, I actually let them overlap a little bit. Sort of fills in a little better, sounds kind of nice. I do have the chords in the tab, though, if somebody's playing along with you, or if you want to stop and put them in occasionally. Anyway, the last line, 4/5 on solo string. 0-2 in the middle, 2-0 on the high, 2-0 on the middle, and then 5 on the low, break to 2, 4, 5. And then I put a little F chord in, and C. Just for an ending, very simple ending. I'll play that last line for you. Great. This is a really good song to have in your repertoire for those, let's call them special days, when somebody needs to hear this song or something. It's really good to be able to pull it out. Have a great day. Bye.